Delicious, simple, and extremely delicious way to cook braised beef that everyone praises. If you are too bored with the usual meals, why not join the kitchen with KYST and try your hand at making an extremely delicious and attractive braised dish called braised beef with bread to change the flavor, giving family meals become warmer. Ingredients for braised beef with bread for 4 people. 5 pieces of bread. Beef tenderloin 500 gr. Braised beef seasoning sauce 1 pack. 90 gr. Fresh coconut water 1.5 liters. 2 carrots. Lemongrass 3 branches. Ginger 1 branch. 1 little chili. Tapioca starch 2 tablespoons. Onion 1 bulb. 4 purple onions. Cashew seed oil 1 teaspoon. Fish sauce 2 tablespoons. Basil 50 gr. Coriander 50 gr. Ship smell. 1 little white wine. Cooking oil 2 tablespoons. Common seasoning, 1 little. Sugar, salt, pepper, seasoning powder. Message. Implementation tools. How to choose and buy fresh ingredients. How to choose fresh beef. For stews or braised dishes with beef, you should choose beef tenderloin, beef bucket, beef tendon. This is the most delicious part of the cow mixed with fat, meat and tendons. When you eat it, you will feel the soft taste, the fatty taste of the fat and the delicious crunch of the tendons. You should prioritize choosing a piece of beef that is bright red mixed with white veins and yellow fat. The beef fibers are soft, small, and do not look too smooth. If you gently press on a delicious piece of beef with your hand, it will have good hardness and elasticity, will not cause a sticky feeling and will not produce any unpleasant or unusual odors. You should avoid buying pieces of beef that are pale green or dark red in color, the fat is dark yellow, white spots appear on the meat fibers, and when touched, it feels mushy and greasy. How to choose fresh carrots. Fresh carrots are moderate in size, straight and elongated in shape, with smooth skin, firm grip, and a bit hard. Choose carrots that have a bright, dark orange color and fresh green leaf stalks that stick tightly to the stem. Do not choose carrots that have wilted stems, bruised stems, slime, bruises, and feel soft when pressed. Do not choose tubers that are too large and have large, thick leaves, branches at the base, and shoulders because these are old tubers and will have a lot of fiber and few nutrients. Prepare the ingredients. To remove dirt and odors, when you buy beef, squeeze it with a little salt and white wine for about 15 minutes, then rinse a few times with water and drain. Use a knife to cut beef into bite-sized pieces. Peel the carrots, wash them, then use a knife to cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. Wash the ginger, peel it, then chop it. Peeled onion, finely chopped. Wash and slice lemongrass. Peel the onion. Pick off old, damaged leaves if any from cilantro, coriander, and basil, then rinse several times with water and drain. 2. Marinate beef. Marinate the beef with 1 packet of seasoning sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of message, a little pepper, 1/2 of lemongrass, ginger, and minced purple onion. Mix well and place in the refrigerator to marinate for about 4 hours or overnight for the beef to absorb the spices. 3. Cook braised beef. Put the pot on the stove, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and heat, then add 1 teaspoon of cashew oil seeds and cook over medium heat until the oil turns a beautiful orange-yellow color, then remove the cashew oil seeds. Add the remaining lemongrass, minced shallot, and ginger and sauté until fragrant, then add the beef and stir-fry over medium heat for about 5 minutes until the meat is firm. Next, pour 1.5 liters of fresh coconut water and 1 onion into the pot, cover and continue to stew the beef for about 40 minutes until the meat is tender. After 40 minutes, take the onions out, Then add all the carrots, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stew for another 10 minutes until the carrots are soft. And the water in the pot boils again. Prepare 1 cup of about 200 ml of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. When the pot of braised beef boils, pour in the tapioca starch water. Stir well while pouring until the water in the pot reaches the desired consistency, then season to taste and turn off the stove. Finished product. Scoop the braised beef into a bowl. Use scissors to cut coriander, basil, and a little fresh chili on top. Decorate it beautifully and you're done. Once completed, the braised beef dish has an extremely attractive color and aroma. Rich broth, simmered beef tenderloin, soaked in spices, rich in fat and crunchy in tendons, soft and sweet carrots, all blend together to create an attractive dish. You can use this dish with bread and dip it with a little lemon, salt, pepper, or kumquat fish sauce to fully enjoy the flavor.